Hi guys! We're continuing our session of cooking with tofu, part 2, the stir fry. In part 1, we cooked tofu wet and dry in 2 different ways, wok fry and oven baked. So now, we're putting them to the real test by stir frying them in the simplest way. Basically, just add minced garlic, chili, and the mother sauce number 9 gluten-free and vegan. And the true test it was. To be totally honest, I love them all. Wok fry, oven bake, wet or dry tofu. I am a tofu lover. But if I had to choose one, it would be, drum roll, the wok fry dry tofu. That's because it has that slight bounciness and chewy texture, like you're eating fish cake, if you know what I mean. The best part though, it's absorbed so much sauce, making it full of flavor. I think my least favorite was the baked tofu. It turned out to be a little rubbery, though the middle part is still tender. It tastes as if it did not absorb as much sauce compared to the other tofu. My husband loves it though. He said that the texture was substantial, like you're eating chicken. In our household, we eat gluten-free and vegan every Thursday. And at first, it was challenging to come up with different dishes every week. This was the reason why I developed the gluten-free and vegan sauce. I can basically wok up any tofu and or any vegetable in under 5 minutes. By the way, the cook time for this stir-fry dish was done in under 4 minutes. You can't even order in that fast. So I hope you give it a try because tofu is like a superfood. High protein content, low calorie count, and low fat content. Be good to your body, stay healthy, and cheers!